Hi YouTube, I'm Taylor. Welcome to Ginger Next Door. Coming at you with the high ponytail that I'm a little self-conscious about. But I did just get home from the gym. So the reason I am sitting down to film this very sweaty video is because when I got home from the gym, this was waiting for me. It's my BoxyCharm box. She had quite the trip to get here, it looks like. But every month when I get my BoxyCharm, I keep saying I'm going to film my unboxing of it, and then I get too excited and I don't want to set my camera up. But the camera's already set up from filming earlier, so we're gonna do this together. And then I'm gonna go take like 3 showers. Alright, how do I open this? Oh boy. Whoops, sorry. Okay. It's fine. I did so good this last month and I avoided all of the sneak peeks because I don't like spoilers, so I don't know what's in this box and I'm super thrilled about it. There's something shiny. This says, make waves. BoxyCharm. Okay. First thing in here is this humongous guy. This is a Glam Glow mask. This is a Gentle Bubble Daily Conditioning Cleanser. It's not a mask, it's a cleanser, which is perfect because I just ran out of my cleanser. This retails for 28 doll hairs. Listen, that's a steal because I only paid $21 for this box. So basically I paid less than I would have paid for just one item, and that is why BoxyCharm is worth it 100%. I need to look at this. What does this say to me? I can't wait to use this. The ultimate daily conditioning cleanser to gently but effectively cleanse skin and remove face makeup and daily impurities. That's me right now. And it's bubbly, which I really like. Plus, look at the packaging, it's so shiny. What do you smell like? Anything? I smell nothing. I'm getting a little whiff of something. I guess I'm just gonna have to find out. That's exciting because I don't own anything from Glam Glow because they're very pricey, but that's neat. Dose of Colors. This is exciting. This is a Dose of Colors liquid matte lipstick. These are normally $18. This looks really pretty from the color on the package. It says the color is truffle. Yes, this is very much me color. It looks like kind of a pinky nude. Yep. Yeah, I'm in. Oh, that smells nice. So far, we are 2 for 2. This box is fantastic. What else do we got? Ooh, this is a Ciate Eye Luster Cream eyeshadow. I'm excited about this. Let's check it out. Oh, these are normally $22. See, again, that's what I'm saying. Oh, this is what I'm saying. $22. I paid $21 for this box. A zillion % worth it. I'm gonna scream. Look at this color. Are you serious? It's so shiny. It's unicorn colored. It's pink and purple. It's got gold glitters. Holy shit. That's shiny. Look at that. Look at it. I'm gonna put this on my eyelids tomorrow morning. Yes! I was hoping I was gonna get this. I lied. I did see one tiny sneak peek. This is the Alamar. I am sorry. I don't know how to pronounce this word. This is a blush palette. I have seen pictures of this, and also I believe her name is Gabby, that is the owner of this company. I follow her on Instagram, and so I'm familiar with this brand. Oh, they're beautiful. Look it. Oh, that's a big nice mirror too. This is a blush trio. There's a couple of orangey shades and then a pinker shade in here. These two look really shimmery. This one looks more of like a satin finish. The price of this is $22. I can swatch this on my inside of my arm really quickly. So this is the shade Castaway. This is the more orangey one. I don't own any orange toned blushes. I like that. I'm gonna have to see if I can play with that. I don't know if with my hair the orange is going to be too much. Did I just get lipstick on my head? Oh well. This next color is a pinky mauve, which I'm all about. Yeah, that's nice. This third color looks like as if these two colors had a baby. It would be this one. I am super excited to play with those blushes. I like that a lot, and the formula is nice too. Yay. And the last thing in here is this eyeliner. This is from the brand Bodyography. It is an emerald colored eye pencil. That's exciting. This retails for 14 doll hairs. Oh, it's a sharpener kind. It's not a twisty kind. Do you see this? That's really pretty. Wow. There are so many pretty things on my hand right now. I don't even know what to look at first. Okay, as per usual, I'm thrilled with this box. We are 5 for 5 on this one. I cannot wait to play with these things and try them out and see. I think the thing I'm most excited about is this because, oh my gosh, look how shiny. Okay, I'm just going to add this up really quickly because that is just math I simply cannot do in my brain. $104. You guys, if you've been questioning if BoxyCharm is worth it, I love it. I paid $21 for $100 worth of products. They are all things that are brand new to me, and I love trying new makeup. If you are someone who is constantly wanting to try new things, but you don't quite have the budget to go out to the store and spend $100 on 5 items, BoxyCharm is like the perfect solution. I love it, and it's just fun to get things in the mail. It's like a gift to myself. Okay, that is it for this super quick BoxyCharm unboxing. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. I'm going to go shower a lot now. Ooh, and wash my face. Goodbye.